This is a fun, fast Star Wars Lego kit. Has 99 pieces. It is Lego set 75391. A shout out to Barron Bricks. The link to their shop is in the description. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.